Hi all, in this video I am going to explain how to represent a signal in terms of unit step and unit ramp function. Consider a problem. This signal consists of unit ramp as well as unit step. First of all, we should know what is unit step. So this is the unit step signal. And next, this is the unit ramp signal because it is looked like a ramp. So this is the unit ramp signal. And next I am going to explain how to write the equation of x of t in terms of unit step and unit ramp. So before that, first of all, we should know how many changes in the waveform. So how the changes in the waveform that is corresponding to the number of terms in the mathematical equation. So this is the change number 1. And next, here minus 2 to minus 1. Next, minus 2 to plus 1. This is the change number 2. And next here the slope is 0 and this is the change 3. And next, this is rise to amplitude 2 and this is the step signal. Change number 4. And see, this is the another one step signal, change number 5. How many changes in the signal? There are 5 changes in the signal. So 5 changes that is corresponds to 5 terms in the mathematical equation. And next I am going to explain how to represent x of t. So x of t is equal to, take the change number 1. Here the signal is rise from minus 2 to the positive slope. The positive slope is plus 1. So plus 1 is the positive slope and this is look like a unit ramp function. And how to represent the unit ramp, that is r of t. The starting point is t is equal to minus 2. How to represent this? T plus 2. Okay. So r of t plus 2. This is the first term. And next, consider the next change, the change number 2. So what is the slope corresponding to the change number 2? That is the slope minus 1. Here this is the positive slope, then the ramp is in the decreasing order. So you have to put minus. And next you have to write, already we are having the positive slope. What is the change in slope? Minus of minus 1. Into what is the starting point of this ramp, that is t is equal to minus 1. How to write this? T plus 1. So r of t plus 1. Okay. Next we have to consider the change 3. In the third change, what about the slope? The slope is equal to 0. Already we are having the slope is equal to minus 1. And the minus, how the minus 1 is converted into 0? We have to add another 1 plus 1. Okay. Then we get the 0 slope. So plus, here what is the starting point? The starting point is t is equal to 1. How to represent this? T minus 1. So r of t minus 1. Next change is, here there is no slope and the amplitude is rise from this point to this. So total rise in amplitude is 2. Here 1 and the top 1, the total amplitude is 2. So plus it is rising, no, plus 2 into, this is the unit step signal. This is look like a unit step signal. So that unit step signal is represented by u of t, no. So u of, what is the starting point here? That is 3. So t is equal to 3. So how to write this? T minus 3. So u of t minus 3. Then see, up here, up to this, the change is over. Next, the changes, amplitude of the signal is reduced to minus 1. So how to write this? Minus, and what is the point here? The point, the time value is t is equal to 4. So how to represent this? T minus 4. So u of t minus 4. So this is the equation. So I have to rearrange this. R of t plus 2 minus 2 into R of t plus 1 plus R of t minus 1 plus 2 into U of t minus 3 minus U of t minus 4. This is the equation for x of t. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.